Okay guys, today I'm going to tell you guys how to make a soccer game. So what you're going to do is want to copy all this code. This string of code right here allows me to move up and down. These two strings of code allow me to move up and down like this. And these code allow me to move like this. So after you copied all of this, you're going to want to create a new sprite. You should probably type in soccer. Okay, after you've done that, you should get soccer ball. This thing, you can code it. So, let's go all the way. Wait, let me see if it has any costumes. No, just a soccer ball. Okay, so now we're going to pull out this code. We're going to do this. And then we're going to go here. We're going to take this. So, if we put this on an edge, it will bounce. See? Like that. So, let's make it move 10 steps when it bounces. Because it's forever, it keeps on moving. See? It's bouncing. So, we don't want that. We just want this simple code. So we're gonna delete this. If on edge, it's gonna bounce, and let's do this. If it's touching the cat, you can make it so it turns. Do this. Delete all this code. So we want to do that. Hey, why isn't it letting me delete it? Let me just take this code. Alright, now let's make it 180. Turn 180 degrees. And we're gonna make it move like 15 steps after that. Alright, so after we click this cat is gonna do this. See, it's gonna go to. And also, you can make it point towards the cat. You can make it point towards the cat. I don't really think that's a good idea. But if you make it point towards the cat, boop, boop, it's gonna be the same. Boop. Except that whenever go that way, it can go where your cat is facing. So your cat can like get the ball and stuff. You can go anywhere. Also, let's add an enemy into the game by copying this guy. Alright, so we got another cat. But this time, we're gonna make it go right this side, and we're gonna make this cat go that side. And this cat, let's make it, oh, not that cat. This cat, we're gonna make it do that. We delete every single code. And also the soccer ball as well. Gotta copy all of this. Touch cat 2. Point towards cat 2. Move 15 steps. So yeah, it's basically like that. After you do that, you're going to want to code this cat to always go out 1 second to the soccer ball. Or if you want it to be like smooth, you can make it move 3 steps, point towards the basketball or soccer ball. Okay, so after you do that, it's gonna point towards the soccer ball and go. So we're gonna add a forever. Alright, so after we grab that forever, we're gonna wanna put it right here. And right there. After we do that, it's gonna try to take the ball away from us. Since we coded this on the edge, it bounces so it doesn't get stuck. You can take the ball back if you want. This guy will keep chasing the ball. And that's not that good idea. So if you want to do this, you can make him move 10 steps. Okay, after that, you're going to want to get this one, make it move 10 steps, or 5 to make it a bit harder. Alright, so it's like this now. So it always goes somewhere. So that means it doesn't get stuck. And you are going to want to add a backdrop. So that, go to backdrops. Never mind. You have to choose a backdrop. You can just type in sucker on this one as well. It'll immediately give you these two. Since we have 2 persons here, we're going to want to choose this field. And we're going to line up all these persons to where they're supposed to be lined up to. We're going to make them, we're going to make them all start at the soccer, that place. We're going to make the ball start at the middle. So now we can make this guy go here after that. And this guy, okay, gotta click that. Okay, now he'll go there. This guy, okay, that, okay, he'll go here. So after that, it's a pretty good game. Wow. See, the ball's just going there around. And you might think, hey, how do you get scores and stuff? Well, let me tell you. So after you do this, you can make a variable. So we're going to name the variable score. We're going to allow it for all sprites. We're going to click OK. So now it's going to say score. We put that right here. Oops. No one more readout. Okay, so after that, we're going to go to the backdrops. And we are going to change this backdrop a little. So we're going to make this go a little purple rectangle right there. And we're going to take this and we're going to put it to red. And we're going to, oops, I guess I'll do, yeah. But, okay, so we're going to put the exaggeration to 50 on that one. Yep, so after you do that, you can put the exaggeration 50 on this one. And yeah, it's basically like this. So you use the soccer ball. So after you do that, you can also do another if, and then do another if. Okay, so here's an if. Pull this to here. And you can say if this is touching, you can go to there, like this. So if you're touching, where I go? So if you're touching, so if you're touching, yeah, I'm just gonna do this. So if you're touching this color, okay, so let me check. Yeah, if you're touching this color, then alright, you have to go, then you can change score. Yep, variables. Go to variables, you can change score by 1. So now, so see, if the ball goes to this one, it can, so the ball, if the ball goes to, like, if the ball is touching this color, you can change the score by 1, but it doesn't work right now, because, alright, we need to catch the ball. Yeah, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. I want the ball. See, it's already changed the score by a lot. Just go there, and then it can change the score. Change score by 1. But you can't just, like, if the ball is still touching it, it just keeps on getting gooder. So we're gonna wait some seconds. Go to control, we're gonna make him wait 0.5 seconds and change the score by 1. You can also add a sound. You can choose a sound that's like cheer. You probably want to choose this one. Alright. After that, you're gonna go to sound. You're gonna play sound cheer. But this one's different. We're gonna make them cheer for both. So after, because some fans are that NPC's fan, some fans are this guy, your fan. So cheer. If it's touching your color, then yeah. But if touching their color, you can change it by, let's see. Come on. After that, we do this. All the colors are there. Doesn't change it at all. See? So now you can make it 1. Okay, so now we're not gonna, also, you're gonna want to you set the score to 1, because if you just keep on getting the score, it's just way too overpowered. So we're gonna set the score to 1. No, I meant 0. Alright, now you got a basic soccer game. So let's test it. Now, I'm pretty laggy, but you guys can see it's pretty good. I'm gonna have to turn up my volume for this one. Alright, this guy can actually score the ball into his territory. So, yeah. Have to, come on. Let me get the cheer. Come on, let me show. Okay, oh I could have. Okay, let's this guy do all the work. Yeah, okay, go in that goal right there. Come on. Come on. Yes, go in that goal. Please go in that goal. I'm begging. See? So yeah. That's it. You got a basic football game. I'm in soccer. Now, see ya. Bye.